In this video, I'm going to show you a simple 5-step process where you can start making $100 per day with Clickbank and Pinterest. In this video, I'm going to give you everything you need. I'm going to show you how you can find high converting products. I'm going to give you a landing page that you can use to start making passive income. I'm going to tell you how many pins you need to upload and where you can find and create those pins. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell notification so you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, if you want to learn how to start earning a full-time income online, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start. Hello, I'm Alston with alstongodbold.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. So as I mentioned, we are going to promote Clickbank products over on Pinterest. It's going to be 100% for free. I'm going to give you everything that you need to get started today. The first thing that you want to do is you either want to log in or sign up to Clickbank. Now, Clickbank is 100% free. It's a marketplace that you can go to find different products to promote as an affiliate. Since I already have an account, I'm just going to go ahead and log in. So now that I'm logged in, I'm in the marketplace. The marketplace is where you're going to go to find different products to promote. Since I know the product that I want to promote, I'm just going to jump right to it. We're going to find that product in the health and fitness niche. So I'm going to click on health and fitness, but click on the triangle just to the left. We're going to go down to diets and weight loss, and then we are going to sort by gravity. The reason why you want to sort by gravity is because Clickbank is telling you which products affiliates are having success promoting. So when I click on gravity, it is going to change dramatically. As you can see here, there are a few different options. What we're looking for is the custom keto diet. The reason why is because it pays a relatively high commission and it is having success being promoted. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to open up the sales page, and then we also want to open up the affiliate page. The affiliate page has a ton of information that's going to help us be successful with Pinterest and any social media platform. All right, so let's take a quick look at the sales page. This is the sales page for the custom keto diet. As you can see, it's high converting because there's a video sales letter or a video that people will play. After the video sales letter, people are going to click on this button, and then a different page opens up where they can enter in a quiz and potentially start making money. When people go through the quiz and they enroll in the program, you can potentially make passive income. We are actually going to create something exactly similar where you can start making passive income as well. The other thing that we want to take a look at is the affiliate page. This is the page that the custom keto diet owners have created for us, and it has a ton of information that we can use to start finding success relatively fast. One thing that I want to point you to are the keywords. The keywords down here on the left hand side are going to be hugely beneficial to help us start making passive income. So I'm just going to click on download, and while that's downloading, I want to show you a landing page that I've created. This is the landing page that I have created for affiliate. So what you're going to do, I'm going to put a link in the description to this landing page, and when they click on this landing page, it's going to take them to the quiz. So if you remember, I'm just going to hit back here. This is the custom keto diet quiz that the product owners have created. So when you click play, this is going to start playing. They click on this button and it takes them to this quiz. What I've created for you, I'm giving this to you 100% for free, is when I click on preview, they are going to see the exact same video, and when they click on get your custom keto diet, it's actually going to take them to the exact quiz. It's the exact same thing. It looks just like the page the product owners created. There's a few subtle differences, but the reason why you want to use this page is because sometimes Clickbank affiliate links get rejected by social media sites. But if you use this page, you will get past that. You could put this in Instagram and Pinterest and TikTok and LinkedIn. You could put this page anywhere because it's a real page. So I'm going to put a link in the description to this page. All you have to do is a one-click install. You click it, it's going to download right into your ClickFunnels account. If you don't have ClickFunnels, you're going to get a 2-week free trial, and you're going to get to test it out and see how to use and interact with this. If you wanted to, you can actually spend some time in changing the button color. As you can see, the button color is different than on this one. If I go back here, but everything else is the exact same. As you can see, there's a blue with a light green there. On mine is, as you can see, it's purple with an orange. So there's just a little bit difference, but download this and use it because it looks exactly like it's an exact replica of the sales page, and it even has the video. So get this landing page right now, or as soon as I'm done with this video. So the only thing that you'll need to change with this video is actually where the button goes to. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on this button here, and on the right hand side, you're gonna see the settings open up. What you need to do is you need to click on set action, and then add in right here your Clickbank ID. As you can see where it says Godbolt52, that's my Clickbank ID. You need to change that or else you won't get credit for the sales. So that's the only thing you need to do. Make sure you change that or else you're not going to get credit for the sale. So now that we have that, what you want to do to find your ID is go back over to Clickbank, and if you go back to the home page, it'll have your Clickbank ID at the top left-hand corner. All right, so now that we have our affiliate link and landing page all squared away, let's go ahead and start creating videos. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use a combination of 2 free softwares to start creating videos and getting traffic. The first one we're gonna use is Canva, and the second one we're gonna use is Pexels. So what we're gonna do in Pexels is we're just gonna go to Pexels.com and we're gonna type in weight loss. When we type in weight loss, you can see there are over 2.57 thousand photos and over 924 videos that you can use and download 100% for free. So what we're gonna do is we're just typing in weight loss, and then we're gonna go down and we're just gonna download any one of these videos. So I'm gonna click on download, and this is gonna download right to our computer. While that's downloading in the computer, I'm gonna jump over to Canva, and I'm just going to search for Pinterest. Now the cool thing with Canva is this is 100% free, and you can use this to create Pinterest pins. So I'm just gonna click the plus sign here, and while that's working, I should have my video downloaded, and I'm just gonna drag and drop that video right over. All right, so I've grabbed that, and I'm just gonna drag and drop this right over here, as you can see, and I'm just gonna add a text and then a call to action. So as you can see here, this is a video, and I am going to, let's say, go to elements, and I'm just gonna speed through this part so that you don't have to watch me misspell words. All right, so we're back. I have created a video pin. If we press play here, you can see it pops out and it says, tired of yo-yo dieting? Get your custom plan today. And what we would do is we'd just simply put a link to our landing page right into our Pinterest pin. So as you can see, this is a video pin. It has a hook and an offer. If you have tried other diets before, you know what a yo-yo diet is, and you know why this can be a problem. So what we would do is we'd simply create these pins using a combination of Pexels and Canva. You could just replace the video. If you wanted to, you can use this longer video that we had over here, but you don't necessarily have to. You can use these shortened ones. And then once you have created a pin to your liking, you can simply click the download button, and it's gonna download as an MP4. So that's going to quickly download to our computer, and then we can move on to the next step. While that's downloading, I wanted to bring up the keywords that we downloaded a little bit earlier. These are the keywords that the affiliate program has provided for us. These can help us get more leads and more sales relatively easy. We can take these keywords and do a little bit of research over on Google and find articles and blog posts where people are answering these exact questions, and we can condense those answers and then put them in our Pinterest pins. We can also use these keywords to put in our titles and our tags to make it more SEO, and we can also include these keywords in the description as well. So that video should have downloaded by now. I'm just going to bring that up to show you what it looks like as a finished product. If I double click on that, this comes up as a regular size Pinterest pin. If I click play, as you can see, it plays just fine. If we wanted to, we could add some audio, but we don't necessarily have to. Right now, video pins stand out and are overpowered over on Pinterest. I upload 5 pins a day and get tons of traffic, leads, and sales to my affiliate offers just using 5 pins per day and their video pins. As you can see here on my account, I have 812,000 monthly viewers and just 1.2 followers. So the number of followers that you have over on Pinterest isn't important. What is important is creating video pins. So what we're going to do is we're just going to click create on the left hand side here, and we're going to click on create pin. Then the next step is to drag and drop the pin that we just created, as you can see there, and then we're just going to add a title. We can add the title from, let's say, a 7-day keto diet plan, and then we could add in more keywords from here. And make sure that you include a call to action. We could say, click here to get a custom diet plan. All right. And then we want to make sure that we add tags. Tags are really important here. The interesting thing with Pinterest is that these tags are hard coded. You can't just add in any tags, but what we're going to do is type in weight loss. And as you can see, a ton are going to pop up. There's actually 10 results that we could use. So we're just going to keep typing in weight loss until all of them are completed. So we do that, and we would just go through and we would add them. Now again, these tags are hard coded, so you can't just really enter in whatever you want. Hopefully that changes in the future. Weight loss tips would be a good one. And then we're going to grab our affiliate. We're going to grab our landing page link, copy this. This is the one that I've given to you. And we're going to paste it right here in the destination link. And then we can put it in, we can create a board, we can add it to one of our other boards. And it's really as simple as that. You can do that 5 times per day. And as you can see from this right here, you have 924 videos to choose from, and people are constantly adding pins every single day. For example, this one right here is, you could say, tired of drinking green tea cleanse. And you can see it doesn't look very appealing, but you could use this pin to grow your Pinterest following, get leads and sales. Again, you just need to do 5 of these per day. Now that you know my simple 5-step process to make $100 per day with Pinterest and Clickbank, if you want to know how to start a full-time business online, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. That link will take you to a free training that will show you step-by-step how to start making passive income with high-ticket affiliate marketing. Check out these videos next to learn more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online with affiliate marketing. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, if you want to learn different tips and tricks to make money online with affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship. Be sure to like this video if you liked it, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.